Did you know that when astronauts return from space, they have to learn how to walk all over again? It's a fascinating reality that perfectly illustrates just how different life is up there. Let me take you on a journey through one of the most mind-bending aspects of space travel. You see, when our brave astronauts blast off in their rockets, they're not just leaving Earth. They're leaving behind the very force that's shaped our evolution: gravity. Up in space, where gravity is minimal, their bodies begin to change in ways that would seem impossible down here on Earth. Their muscles start to weaken, their bones begin to lose density, and even their sense of balance gets completely thrown off. But here's where it gets really interesting. When these space travelers finally return to Earth, they face a challenge that most of us would never even think about. The simple act of walking becomes an enormous task. Imagine trying to walk around with what feels like a heavy backpack weighing you down, while your legs feel like they're made of jelly, and your inner ear is telling your brain that everything's spinning. The soil beneath their feet, something we take for granted, suddenly feels alien to them. Their bodies, which have adapted to floating effortlessly in space, now have to readjust to Earth's gravity. It's like trying to swim in honey after getting used to swimming in water. Everything just feels heavier and more difficult. This is why astronauts go through extensive rehabilitation after returning from space missions. They spend weeks, sometimes months, working with physical therapists, doing specialized exercises, and gradually relearning how to move in Earth's gravity. It's a bit like teaching a toddler to walk, except these are highly trained professionals who've just been floating around in space. The really wild part? The longer they stay in space, the harder this readjustment becomes. Some astronauts who've spent many months on the International Space Station have reported feeling the effects of their space journey for up to a year after returning home. It's a remarkable reminder of just how dramatically space travel affects the human body, and how much we still have to learn about living beyond our planet's protective embrace.